Good morning, everyone. Today we will start lesson 3, grammar, class book page 7, present tense contrast. The objectives for this lesson are: number 1, revise the present simple tense. Number 2, learn how to differentiate between the present simple, present continuous, and present perfect tense.
Created using Powtoon.
The first tense we have today is the present simple tense. When we can use the present simple tense? We use the present simple tense to talk about facts, daily routine, and habits. In the present simple tense, we will use the first form of the verbs with subject pronouns I, they, we, and you. Here in this slide, we have the positive form, negative form, and in the question form. For example, the first one we have I speak. If I wanted to change this sentence to make it negative, we will use don't. So it will be I don't speak. If I wanted to ask a question, it will be do you speak? So we change it here I to be you in the question form. Number 2, if we started the sentence with they, also we will write the first form of the verb. It will be they speak. Negative form, just we will add don't before the verb and keep the verb in the base form. So it will be they don't speak. In the question form, do they speak? Number 3, we speak. The negative form also we will use we don't speak. The question form, do we speak? The last one, if we use or if we started the sentence with you, In the positive form, you speak. Change it to be negative, it will be you don't speak. In the question form, do you speak? In this part, if we started the sentence with the he, she, or it, in this case we will add s, es, or ies to the verb. Also, we have positive form, negative form, and the question form. For example, we are using here verb go. In the positive form, if we started the sentence with he, yes, it will be he goes. The negative form, he doesn't go. So here in the negative form, we used doesn't before the verb and we removed es. In the question form, we started with does he go? Number two, she goes. Also here, when we start with she, we add es to the verb. Negative form, she doesn't go. The question form, does she go? Number three, it drinks. When we start with it, here for the verb drink, just we add s. In the negative form, it doesn't drink. The question form, does it drink? In this part, we have a note. As we said before that in the present simple tense, we will add s, es, or ies to the verb. When we can add s, number one, we add s to the end of of most of the verbs. Like start, it will be starts, drink, drinks, play, plays. Number two, we add es if the verb ends in ss, o, ch, or sh, like the examples we have: go, goes, finish, finishes. Number three, if the verb ends in consonant plus y, in this case we will change or we will remove y and add ies. Like study, it will be studies, carry, carries. And this is the second present tense. We have the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about actions that are happening now. In this case, we are going to start with subject pronouns. After the subject pronouns, we will add verb to be, then the verb plus ing. For example, if we start the sentence with I, like the first example, it will be I am playing. The negative form will be I am not playing. In the question form, are you playing? As you know, in the question form, we change I to be you. Number two, he. He is playing. In the negative form, he isn't playing. In the question form, is he playing? Number three, if we started with she is playing. The negative form, she isn't playing. The question form, is she playing? Number four, it is playing. Negative form, it isn't playing. The question form, is it playing? They are playing. They are not playing. Are they playing? We are playing. Negative form, we are not playing. The question form, are we playing? And the last one, you are playing. You are not playing. Are you playing? So here in the present continuous form, we will start with the subject pronoun, then verb to be, after verb to be, the verb with ing. In the negative form, also we will start with subject pronoun, then verb to be. After verb to be, we will add not, then verb plus ing. In the question form, we will start with verb to be, then the subject pronoun plus verb with ing. And the last tense here is the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that started in the past and are unfinished and still going on now. Here it means that we already started the action in the past and it will complete with us at the end of the lesson. I hope you understand it well. See you tomorrow, inshallah.